Okay, so people are like, cleaning is so stressful. People as in myself. So what we're doing today is testing out the 5-minute cleaning. Is this even a challenge?
We're starting this challenge.
Okay, we're starting this challenge called the 5-minute cleaning challenge. Because I'm not gonna focus on the 20 minutes I don't have, but the 5 that I do. So what we're gonna do is set a timer for 5 minutes. And I really hope it's gonna look different.
We gotta show what it looks
5
like
minutes.
now. So hold up. We have a lot of stuff going on over here.
Guys,
we just filmed
this is
a
just real life,
Hobby
right?
Lobby haul, so you guys probably seen that. We got our clothes all over the place. Bed's crazy. Desks, probably won't even be able to get
Honestly,
to the desks.
that's probably not good. We shouldn't show that because it's not good.
But we have 5 minutes, and we're gonna see. We're gonna put this down, and we were gonna run around with this bad boy.
Hey Siri. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
The time has come.
Run. Wait, guys. Cleaning just means throwing this on the ping pong table. Is that bad? We're gonna be moving soon, okay? I'll be packed up eventually. Oh gosh. we're just moving it all to a different place. This isn't even clear. Can I just throw this? This is his anyways.
Not really.
Oh gosh.
If we get not dirty out there, we can make this.
Oh, isn't that cute? Run. Guys, this isn't even cleaning. This isn't even cleaning.
Honestly, the biggest one is this clothes right here. Gotta get the
Whose
clothes.
clothes is this? Whose is this anyways? These are probably dirty. Oh god, don't look in there! You want this?
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Folded, that's good.
Half of this is clean.
Folded,
Most
folded.
of it's not.
Dirty. How's it going over there, Littles?
Not good. Whose jacket is this?
Oh gosh.
It's not even mine.
I
Are
gotta.
these clean or dirty?
We're flipping this. There we go. Check us out that way. Gucci bag. Alright, good. This can all go in here.
You think Megan gonna come in my house, borrow my clothes, and not even hang this back up?
Tis, Megan, if you're watching
Oh,
this.
Megan!
Megan!
Wait, blaming this on Megan when this is clearly my fault.
A lot of laundry in there. We don't want to show you guys that.
Wait, I already showed them.
Oh, golly.
I should've just hung this up.
I don't know how much time we have. What the heck did you just do? What was that? I better not need that.
It was mine.
Did the timer even start? This thing is wild.
There's my brush. I was looking for it all morning. Oh my god!
What?
Tony!
You think the mic picked it up? Dang! That's all it takes is 5 minutes, huh?
45 seconds!
What should we do?
Wipe off things.
Wipe. Yeah, we need a big wipe. We need a big wipe over here.
Here.
That's for glass, but okay.
Oh no!
That's alright.
Look!
Guys, we're doing good.
Hurry,
Look at all this
give me
nasty dust. No! I need it.
This is disgusting. Oh my gosh. If I committed this, like, every single day.
If I committed this much effort in my work, imagine what I'd get done. Imagine us just going to the gym for 5 minutes. Jeez. Yeah, finish off with you. Oh, timer. Breathe. Alright, should we show them?
Alright.
Alright, let me go grab the other camera. Alright, time is up. Let's take a look. I was able to straighten that up a little bit, all in 5 minutes.
I didn't.
A little out of
get
breath.
to mine.
I got to your desk a little bit. I
So,
put
yeah.
that stuff to the side.
Definitely a little better.
So we were able to. It's actually a huge
Wait,
difference.
this is actually a little lit.
Holy
I
cow!
just did that. Whoa. Close anyways.
Like, I think we just started a whole new challenge.
Yeah, because honestly, like.
Okay, you guys have to know the background story. We were kind of stressed out because we have so much to do today, and we just finished recording her Hobby Lobby haul. And as a joke, we're like, let's clean this room in 5 minutes. And then we're like, should we make this a video? And literally,
honestly, everything's better if you film it. It feels more worth it. Which this bed still looks a wreck, but you know, whatever.
but not only that, honestly, don't focus on the 10 minutes you don't have. What about the 3 minutes you do have?
5.
Look.
It's a 5-minute challenge.
Right, but imagine if you just had 3 minutes. Like, look. That's
And now I'm adding in 2 or 1 extra minute. So, 6 minutes cleaning off my counter.
That's
I would
odd.
light a candle, but I'm probably going to be leaving soon. But wow.
Dang, we got a brand new room. Literally, our
Wait,
problem.
This is actually
our,
crazy.
our problem is stuffing clothes and letting it pile right here, and it took 30 seconds. Just don't look in that closet.
Literally, the laundry, like, at least it's, like, in one stack and not just, like, everywhere, but she's overflowing. She is overflowing.
I'm actually impressed. The only thing I need to work on is my nightstand over there, but good challenge, Littles.
Pretty lit.
Yeah.
Sweet. So,
So if you guys do this challenge, show us on Instagram. Oh, cool. Even though this is on her channel, if you guys do this challenge, post a before picture, after picture, and tag her on Instagram because that'd be super lit. Seriously, this would be a fun challenge if you guys just took 5 minutes, whether that's the kitchen, living room, your bedroom, bathroom, before and afters. I think this is a super dope challenge. So I suggest you guys do it. Anything else, Littles?
Nope.
That it?
Bye.
Bye. Can't wait to see the challenge.
All right, bye.